Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Note 12 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and before I've started the recording I've applied those grid lines, kind of the different type of grid lines. I've applied them before because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So after the whole operation they should disappear. So to reset the settings we have to enter the settings themselves, which are in the right upper corner, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find restore defaults. Let's tap on done, and as you can see we just got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which simply means that we just successfully removed all personalization and restore default settings in the camera. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.